How are you finding the drive so far?
Ooh, it's Ohio. It's so exciting. Oh wow, look at it, it's straight.
Howdy friends, welcome back to the channel. So today, this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually on the road on the way to Kings Island, and I'm joined by the one and only Ross Hudson.
1,000 feet.
In 1,000 feet what? So for those of you that don't know, Ross and I actually travelled pretty much across the continental US last year, riding roller coasters, and we're set to do it again this year, but it's going to be even bigger. Today we're going to start the adventure by going to Cincinnati, Ohio, then we're going to head to Kentucky and over to Indiana, is that right?
Yes, that is correct.
Sweet. He's the guy who knows all the facts and plans these trips. I just point and shoot the camera.
Oh, and I'm the pretty one too. We both have the season passes for Kings Island, so we'll hit that tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna hit Kentucky Kingdom because we both have passes there, and then stay there till about 1, and then we'll hit Holiday World from about 2 till closing. Get some night rides on the best night ride coaster out there, which is the Voyage. And then after that, on Sunday, we'll head back to Kings Island on the way back home, and we'll stay there till about 6 o'clock and then get back to Detroit. Who knows where we'll end up by the time it's all said and done. I say we stay on this ramp since it's such a tight helix right now.
I'm getting some serious laterals. Oh wow. Check it out, speed demon over here, merging onto the motorway.
Yeah, 45 miles an hour, grandpa.
Woohoo! The reason why I wanted to do this video was because a lot of people ask me, how do I travel the world and how am I gone for such extended periods of time? Because last year I spent 5 months in the US and Canada, and the truth is, I just do. Like, you ask anyone, you watch a film, you read a book, it's the story of them doing something. So my only advice is go out and do it. So this is kind of like a behind the scenes of what it's like to go to the parks, all the sort of stuff we see and have to put up with, and yeah. It's going to be pretty awesome, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you some bits along the way, and yeah, we'll see you when we get to the park.
Okay, we need music now.
Yep, music time. Woo! This looks exactly like the last road we were on. That's the thing about the roads here, they all look the same. There's an Arby's over there, look, with a very phallic symbol.
It's a hat. Are we there yet? Is this trip almost over? I'm ready to go home. I want to be back in my bed.
Crikey, mates, we've gone too far. We're in Sydney now. It's the truth, mate. Flaming heck, you bloody drongo. Turn around.
Are you still doing that? Shut that off now.
Okay, it's off.
Whatever. I should fill up here because I'll get 40 cents off a gallon here.
Nice. Here we are at Speedway. Let's go get some snacks. Bye, Grandpa. Bye. Okay, so we're now currently somewhere in Ohio. We're about an hour away from Kings Island, which is located in Cincinnati. Come to a Speedway, and apparently they've got some really good popcorn, so we're going to check that out. Let's see what we can find. Oh yeah. I'm kind of tempted to get Ross some Meow Mix. Tell him that it's like some kind of chocolate food. Those are quite good, the Muddy Buddies. I had them last year. So you've got some chips and stuff out here. Look, they call them Lays here. We call them Walkers back in England. So apparently we want Speedway's own brand. Yeah, no, I can't see any, but that's fine. So unfortunately they didn't have the popcorn that we came in to get. Check it out, Ross is falling asleep, look.
Alright, I'll be back.
Okay, Arnie.
With the popcorn.
I'll be back. And there he goes, a man who's about to come face to face with the reality that there is no popcorn in there. Okay, so it turns out Ross is a wizard and he found the popcorn. Ah, much better. Here we go.
It's very corny flavored.
It's like corny and
like
buttery.
Magical.
Wow. That is unlike any popcorn I've ever had. Wow. Definitely check it out. If you come to a Speedway, check out their popcorn.
What are you still recording? You're sitting in a gas station.
Oh look, it's a giant penis statue again. Ross.
What?
I need a poo.
Crying?
You'd make me poo myself, wouldn't you, if I needed to go? Check it out, there's Banshee, look. There's the boomerang. That one's actually an interesting version of the boomerang because you can sit facing your friends, so you've got two facing that way and two facing that way. Kings Island, it's good to be back. Oh, finally ready, are you, Grandpa? So check it out, these are the stickers that we got from Burning Man last year. Radical Ritual, that was the year before, and when we went last year it was iRobot. Pretty cool. Welcome to Kings Island. So those of you that remember, I came here last year with Ross and we're back to re-ride some of our favourites such as Banshee, Diamondback and Mystic Timbers. Now this was basically just going to be a kind of behind the scenes video for when Ross and I travel around, and so you can see what it's like being on the road, but I'm going to take you in there, show you just a brief glimpse of the park, and yeah, have a kick-ass time. So stay tuned and I'll show you some of the finest attractions that the park has to offer. Check it out, we're here at Kings Island for the Grand Carnival, and I've just found the biggest bunch of jokers in the park. Here we go. How's it going, everyone? Woo! Oh yeah! So these guys are going off to Diamondback, the park's B&M hypercoaster, whereas Ross and I are going to get our shriek on over at Banshee. We'll see you there. What do you think, Ross? You're hanging out with a celebrity now.
Oh my god.
So as I say, yeah, we're going to head over to Banshee now, and hopefully it's going to be awesome. And I am so pumped to be back. I absolutely love this ride. I know it gets a lot of hate for the harnesses because they're kind of a bit wider, but I personally love them. I don't care to have my head bashed about on a classic B&M style restraint. And I think this is actually the way forward. This is the future, because these rides can pack a serious punch. And normally when your head's getting bashed around, you don't tend to realise what's going on. So definitely check it out if you're in Ohio. Come down to Kings Island and check out Banshee. Here we go. Woo, yeah! Check out all the beads, look. Check it out, we are here at Mystic Timbers. This ride is located in Lucanityville, which is pretty sweet. Remember where we parked? Ooh, spooky. Man, that was awesome. I don't remember it being that fast through the transitions. That's a classic GCI coaster here at Kings Island. It's a great ride. I'm now going to go and probably ride Diamondback, so stay tuned and we will see you at the next ride.
Celebration in town hits the streets. It's spectacle of color. Grand Carnival on parade. So head on out to a viewing location, get those dancing shoes on, and get ready to party. 15 minutes and counting.
Oh yeah.
See you there.
Well, would you look at the time? It's time to end the video.